Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so for the last 26 days, I've been sharing my journey with you as I go through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. Now don't be confused. I know this video says day 26 and a little while ago there was also a video labeled day 26. You're not seeing things. That really happened. I have been going through these baby steps one day at a time. I haven't been looking ahead. I've just been doing one baby step at a time so that I don't get overwhelmed. After I filmed day 26's video, I started looking a little bit ahead because we've got a really busy couple of days coming up, and I just kind of wanted to make sure I was prepared and knew exactly what was coming up so that I would be able to film efficiently when the time came. And I realized that there is no baby step for loading your dishwasher and running it at night, and then also emptying your dishwasher in the morning. And I was kind of really confused about that because I've kind of just been waiting for that baby step to pop up, and it hasn't popped up. And then as I was looking ahead, I realized that it is not in the 31 baby steps. I kind of find that to be a bummer because I feel like that is a huge thing for establishing your routines. So what I decided to do is today, day 26, we're going to call this day 26B, you're going to get a bonus baby step. We did not add a new baby step for day 26, so I want to add it now because I feel like it is important when establishing your routines. If you go to the Flylady's website or if you see any of her material and look at the routines, emptying your dishwasher in the morning and then running your dishwasher at night, those are included in the routines, but for whatever reason, they're not in the baby steps. And like I said, I feel like that is super important. I've really just been kind of waiting for it and realized that it wasn't going to show up. So what we're going to do today is, since we didn't add a baby step earlier, for this bonus video, we're going to add a new baby step. We're going to add empty the dishwasher to our morning routine. Every morning when you get up, go ahead and empty your dishwasher. That way you can put your dirty dishes in throughout the day. So after breakfast, dirty dishes go in. After lunch, dirty dishes go in. After dinner, dirty dishes go in. That way we're keeping our counters and our sinks clean and we don't have a big mess every night just waiting for us. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we completely load our dishwasher every night and start it. That way it is ready to empty in the morning. Everything will be clean and waiting for you. Now, if you are single or maybe there's just a couple of you in your family and you don't run a full load, you're going to have to just kind of make that decision on your own. If you only have to run it every 2 days and you've got room to put your dishes in, then that's what you need to do. But for most of us that have families or large families or are home a lot during the day, we're going to be able to fill it up all the way and run it once a day. So our bonus baby step is we are going to empty our dishwasher every morning as part of our morning routine. And then every evening, we're going to make sure that the dishwasher is loaded and set to run either before we go to bed or while we're sleeping or however you choose to do that, so that when you get up in the morning, you can get all your clean dishes out and put them away. I will say that I feel like this baby step should have been really early on. I feel like it should have been in the first 5 baby steps. Number 1 was shine your sink. I believe number 2 was dress to shoes. And I feel like the dishwasher thing really should have happened like next, but it didn't, and I'm not really sure why. That's okay. Like I said, it was just something that I noticed wasn't on there, but I feel like it's super important. So I feel like you're going to see a lot of benefit if you go ahead and add that to your morning routine and then your evening routine. So get at your control journals, write it in there. And this baby step will really help you stay on top of your kitchen and dishes each and every single day. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I will see you guys tomorrow for day number 27.